Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. 3 times g plus 19 equals 3. Solving means leaving the variable alone on one side, with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. Use the same operation on both sides to keep the equation equal. Subtract 19 from both sides so the variable term stands alone. That gives 3 times g equals negative 16. The variable coefficient is 3. Divide both sides by 3 to leave the variable alone. Quick check. Substitute negative 16 over 3 for g. Both sides equal 3, so the equation balances. So, g equals negative 16 over 3.